Ishikawa diagram, also known as the Fishbone diagram or cause and effect diagram, is a visual tool used for root cause analysis. It helps teams to identify, organise and display possible causes of a problem in a very structured way. In IT problem management, the Ishikawa diagram is especially useful for addressing complex incidents where multiple factors may be contributing to the issue. The Ishikawa diagram is a cause and effect tool that looks like the skeleton of a fish, with the problem or effect as the head of the fish and the possible causes represented as the bones. This tool helps teams to brainstorm and categorise potential causes of a problem, allowing them to systematically analyse these causes to find the root cause. Why we use the Ishikawa diagrams in IT problem management. Structured visualization. The diagram provides a structured way to explore multiple potential causes of a problem. It encourages collaboration. It allows cross-functional teams to contribute their insight and expertise. Comprehensive analysis. This helps uncover a wide range of causes, including those related to process, systems, and the human factor. Effective for more complex problems. This is particularly useful when problems have multiple contributing factors or are difficult to diagnose. The components of the Fishbone diagram. Problem statement. At the head of the Fishbone diagram is the problem or the effect. This should be a very clear and concise description of the issue we are trying to analyse, such as website downtime or frequent network outages. Defining the problem accurately is crucial for guiding the analysis. Major cause categories, the fish bones. The main bones of the fish represent major categories of causes. Common categories used in IT problem management include people, the human factor such as skills, training, communication and workload, process, the operational workflows, procedures and policies, technology, the hardware, software and systems performance or failures, environment, external factors such as physical infrastructure, security and data center conditions, data, quality, accuracy and availability of data along with the database integrity, vendors and suppliers, issues related to third-party services, vendors or hardware providers. These categories can be customized based on the specific problem being analyzed. Sub-causes, the smaller bones. Each major category can be broken down further into specific causes. For example, under technology, sub-causes could include server failures, software bugs, or network issues. When to use the Fishbone diagram. The Fishbone diagram is ideal for use in the following problem management scenarios. Complex incidents, where the problem is not easily diagnosed or has multiple contributing factors. Recurring problems, to analyse why certain issues keep recurring and how different factors may be involved. Post-incident reviews, after significant incidents or major incidents and outages, to ensure that all potential causes are analysed and understood. The benefits of using the Ishikawa diagram. Holistic view helps the team consider both technical and non-technical factors contributing to the problem. Encourages teamwork. Multiple stakeholders can provide the perspective, leading to a more comprehensive analysis. Preventative focus. By identifying root causes, it supports preventative measures to avoid future occurrences. Steps to create a fishbone diagram. Step 1. Define the problem. The first step is to clearly define the problem or the effect you want to analyse. Make sure the problem statement is specific and agreed upon by the team. For example, the application crashes frequently during peak usage hours. Step 2. Draw the diagram framework. draw a horizontal arrow pointing to the right. This is the backbone of the fish. At the head of the fish, on the right side, write the problem statement. Identify the main categories of cause, for example, people, process, technology, environment, and draw diagonal lines extending from the backbone. These lines are the fishbones. Step 3. Brainstorm possible causes. Collaboratively brainstorm possible causes for the problem, placing each cause under the appropriate category. For each category, ask the team questions such as: people, are there skills gaps or training issues that could be contributing to the problem? Process, is there a breakdown in how the process is being carried out? Technology, could there be an issue with the hardware or the software? Environment, are there external factors like security or data center conditions affecting the system? For example, people, lack of training on application scaling. Process, no standardized load testing in the release process. Technology, insufficient server capability and capacity during peak hours. Environment, sudden increases in temperature in the server room affecting the hardware. Step 4. Drill down into sub-causes. For each identified cause, drill down further to identify sub-causes. Continue asking why for each major cause until you identify specific issues that can be addressed. For example, technology, insufficient server capacity. Why? Servers are not properly monitored for capacity usage. Why? Lack of proactive capacity planning. In the people category, lack of training on application scaling. Why? No formal training programs on performance management. You'll recognise this from the 5 whys methodology, which works perfectly with the Fishbone diagram. Step 5. Analyse and prioritise causes. Once a diagram is complete, analyse the identified causes. Group similar causes together and prioritise which ones are most likely contributing to the problem based on the available data and team insights. Step 6. Develop and implement solutions. Based on the analysis, develop corrective actions to address the root causes. Ensure that solutions are specific, actionable and measurable. Example solutions. Technology. Implement proactive capacity monitoring tools and establish automated alerts for high usage. Process. Add standardized load testing to the release process for all major software updates. People. Create a training program for developers on performance management and scaling techniques. Best practices when using the Fishbone diagram. Involve the right people. Involve stakeholders from different areas such as development, operations, network teams to ensure a comprehensive analysis. Be specific. Whilst brainstorming, focus on specific causes rather than vague or general ideas. This ensures that the solutions developed are actionable. Validate causes. Once a diagram is complete, validate the findings with data to ensure that the identified causes are truly contributing to the problem. Avoid blame. Focus on process and systems factor rather than placing the blame on individuals. The goal is to improve the system, not assign fault.